Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out an absolute beast of a pre-built, the Skytech Viper gaming PC. Collision emoji. Before we dive in, hit the link below to grab this exact setup at the best price available right now, especially if you're ready to upgrade your setup without building from scratch. Let's break it down: performance, design, thermals, and most importantly, is this pre-built worth your money in 2025? Wrench emoji. Specs rundown. Here's what's under the hood. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D, 8 cores, 16 threads, 3 DB cache for incredible gaming performance. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB, next-gen ray tracing and DLSS 3.5 support. RAM, 32GB DDR5 at 5200 MHz, dual channel, RGB lit. Storage, 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, blazing fast load times. PSU, 850 watts Gold, ATX 3.0 ready, rock solid and future-proof. Cooling, all-in-one liquid cooler with RGB. Case, tempered glass side panel with RGB fans and sleek airflow design. Personal computer emoji, design and build quality. The Skytech Viper doesn't just perform, it looks incredible too. The case is clean, modern, and packed with customizable RGB lighting. You've got multiple RGB fans, a sleek tempered glass side panel, and a tidy cable-managed interior that makes upgrades a breeze. Even better, it ships ready to go out of the box. Plug it in, update drivers, and you're off. Video game emoji, gaming performance. Let's talk about what really matters: how it plays games. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D is one of the best gaming CPUs on the market, especially when paired with the RTX 5070. Expect buttery smooth 1440p and even 4K gaming, with ray tracing and DLSS giving you high frame rates without sacrificing quality. Titles like Elden Ring, Call of Duty, Cyberpunk, and Fortnite all run beautifully. Whether you're aiming for cinematic visuals or competitive frame rates, the Skytech Viper has the headroom to do both, and then some. Ice emoji, cooling and thermals. This rig runs cool and quiet, thanks to the AIO liquid cooler and excellent airflow design. Even under stress, CPU and GPU temps stay in check. You won't need to worry about thermal throttling or noisy fins kicking in constantly. Plus, that 850 watts Gold PSU means you're set for future GPU upgrades, even if NVIDIA drops something more powerful down the line. Gear emoji, productivity and content creation. Beyond gaming, the Viper is also a multitasking monster. With 32GB of fast DDR5 RAM, it's perfect for creators working in Adobe Premiere, Blender, Unreal Engine, and more. Load times are lightning fast thanks to the Gen4 NVMe SSD, and rendering performance is excellent across the board. White check mark emoji, pros and cons. Pros. Incredible gaming performance with Ryzen 7 7800X3D plus RTX 5070. 32GB DDR5 RAM, future-ready and multitask-friendly. Fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. Great thermals with clean cable management. Looks amazing with full RGB and tempered glass. Cons. No HDD storage, 1TB fills quickly if you're a content hoarder. No custom CPU overclocking options in most pre-built BIOS setups. Premium price compared to DIY builds, but it's 100% plug and play. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. The Skytech Viper gaming PC is one of the strongest pre-built options you can grab in 2025. It's got top-tier gaming performance, excellent thermals, a clean aesthetic, and zero setup headaches. If you want to skip the build process and dive straight into high FPS gaming and 4K content creation, this is a seriously good investment. Thanks for watching, fam. If this review helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future tech drops and reviews. And of course, check the link below to snag the Skytech Viper at the best deal available today. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Video game emoji, desktop computer emoji.